motherfucker that way. You don't see me?
I thought that's how
Turn it that fucking way.
I thought that's how
Throw it in the street. Look at me now. Look at me. Goddamn, Junior.
Not bad, dude.
That's it. I can't find the picture. We're done. We're good. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. That's it. That's it. That's it, Courtney. I'm serious. I don't care. We don't care about anything. We don't need anything more. No, the house is going to fall down on us. Come on. Come on. Courtney, come on. We can't be in there. Shit, man.
Oh my God.
Me voy a matar, te mi último.
Which is
Voy a matar.
Tuesday Cave Show.
Pray for Texas. Power is off in many places and no food at the stores. Everything is empty.
What happens when it snows in Texas, y'all?
If you do not live in Texas, don't speak on this weather. We are not used to this. We do not.
See, here's my problem with that. First of all, I'm in Jersey. Nobody's laughing at the dire straits that y'all don't have electricity. Y'all literally freezing. That's not funny. We're not laughing at that. But I remember y'all in Texas laughing at the wildfires in California. I remember Texas voting against New Jersey and New York getting aid for Hurricane Sandy. I remember that. I remember every snowstorm we get up here, y'all posting memes and everything else talking about, oh, it's 85 here, we grilling. Oh, don't you wish you lived down here? And now that y'all get one snowstorm. One. Now we supposed to just shut up and feel bad for y'all. When this entire time, y'all been running your mouth. Nah, dog, it don't work like that.
Listen, it's so cold. I'm in the bathroom with the shower running, with 10 jackets on and 4 candles lit. I don't think I'm going to make it through the rest of the day. That's just being honest.
Holy shit. Are you fucking kidding me right now? Oh my God.
Should I go up there and pop it back up? I don't want to.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Well,
what the fuck?
there goes our house.
Okay, as you see, the water in the sink is now frozen. The water won't turn on. And as you see the icicle, the stove, they say we have gas, but we don't. See, all of them not working. The bathroom water isn't even working. Tub water. And it's been like this ever since maybe last Friday the water went out. But we've been in the cold since January 25th with a 7.